Learning languages with us. 24/7. Your one-stop shop to learn English in a fun and easy way.
Hello again, and welcome back.
This is day 3 of your English Shadowing Challenge. That means you've already completed 2 days.
Be proud of yourselves.
Today, we are going shopping.
Don't worry, we're not spending any money.
We're simply learning useful English together.
Shopping vocabulary is used everywhere.
In supermarkets,
In cafes,
in bakeries,
at the mall.
and in everyday conversations.
By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to use simple English phrases confidently when shopping.
So relax, take a deep breath,
Sit comfortably,
and remember, listen first.
then repeat. And when we repeat, we all speak out loud together.
Ready?
Let's begin. We'll start with some simple and basic sentences that might be used at your local corner shop.
Speak clearly and don't rush.
Here is the first sentence. I need to buy some milk.
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 Sentence 2. Do you sell washing up liquid?
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 Sentence 3. I am looking for sugar.
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 Sentence 4. Do you have bottled water?
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 Sentence 5. How much is that, please?
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 Excellent! That's 5 useful everyday English sentences that you have just spoken out loud. Good job!
We'll continue with 10 more phrases people use in their everyday shopping activities.
Listen carefully.
Then repeat.
Sentence 6. Excuse me, where will I find the bread?
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 Sentence 7. I would like some apples.
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 Sentence 8. Do you have fresh juice?
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 Sentence 9. Which is the vegetable section, please?
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 Sentence 10. I need a basket.
I need a basket.
I need a basket.
I need a basket.
Sentence 11. I am ready to pay.
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 Sentence 12. Can I pay by card?
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 Sentence 13. Would you like a receipt?
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 Sentence 14. No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Sentence 15. Thanks, have a nice day.
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 Fantastic. You just practiced 15 useful shopping phrases. Now let's use them in a real conversation. Imagine you're back at the supermarket. You need a few items.
Let's practice together.
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
It's in aisle 3.
It's in aisle 3.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I help you with anything else?
Can I help you with anything else?
Yes, where can I find the milk?
Yes, where can I find the milk?
The milk is at the back of the store.
The milk is at the back of the store.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. Did you find everything you needed?
Good afternoon. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Would you like a receipt?
Would you like a receipt?
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Sure thing. Have a nice day. Sure thing. Have a nice day. Thanks, you too.
Thanks, you too.
Wonderful. That was a complete shopping conversation.
And you spoke every part of it. Great job.
Now we'll go into our fluency round. The focus here is to improve how smoothly you speak and sound.
We'll go through each sentence just once this time with a 4-second pause for you to repeat the words.
Don't stop,
And don't worry about how you sound.
or whether you get every word right.
Just keep speaking each sentence as they come.
Ready? Here we go. I need to buy some milk. Do you sell washing up liquid? I am looking for sugar. Do you have bottled water? Excuse me, where will I find the bread? I need a basket. I would like some apples. Which is the vegetable section, please? I'm ready to pay. Can I pay by card? Would you like a receipt? No, thank you. Have a nice day. Now, before we finish, I have a challenge for you.
The next time you visit a supermarket, try using one English sentence from today's lesson.
Maybe,
Where will I find the bread?
or
Can I pay by card?
even if you're practicing alone, say it out loud.
The more you use English, the more natural it becomes.
And that, friends, is the end of day 3. Today you practiced
English shopping vocabulary, speaking 15 useful everyday phrases.
and we modeled realistic shopping conversations and interactions.
You are making fantastic progress.
Remember, confidence grows with practice and repetition.
So keep showing up,
Keep speaking out loud.
and most of all, keep believing in yourself.
Now write in the comments, day 3 complete. We'd love to know how you are getting on with the challenge.
And remember, come back tomorrow for day 4.
Tomorrow we'll practice the kind of vocabulary used when in
Restaurants, takeaways, or street food.
ordering food and drinks.
And of course, we'll model a typical conversation you might have.
Until then,
Keep practicing
keep smiling.
and keep speaking English out loud.
See you in day 4.
Come back soon to learn more with Learning Languages with us 24/7.